As unlocking process has been started in India, people are free to move wherever they want. So ultimately, people have to take care of them by self. In this video, I'm going to talk about two of the most important gadgets, the infrared thermometer and the oximeter. So I will be reviewing them in this video and also going to tell you about the importance of these two gadgets at your households. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Let's start with the infrared thermometer or temperature gun. Now as the lockdown is over, all industries and shops are permitted to start their businesses. So government has made this compulsory to keep their places sanitized and take proper precautions of the working staff. So the owner has to check the temperature of the person so that they will be knowing about the employee's health, that is he suffering from any kind of fever or not. But temperature gun is also really important in every single house because the elder people are now going to work. Of course, their proper care has been taken at the workplace, but as I said, we have to take self-care to be on safe side. So that's why every house should have an infrared thermometer. And this is a one-time investment. Suppose in future a person from your house has fever. So to check the amount of temperature of the person, you can use this temperature gun instead of traditional thermometer because it's much more safer. Now usage of infrared thermometer is really easy. You have to put two cells in the bottom compartment and point the gun to person's head or hand and press the trigger, and it will automatically measure the temperature and show you reading. If the temperature is between 35 to 36 degrees Celsius, then it will be green. If it's between 37 to 38 degrees Celsius, it will turn orange or yellow, which indicates the person is suffering from minor fever. And if it exceeds 38 degrees Celsius, then it will turn red, which is that the person is having high fever and should consult a doctor immediately. Now the gun in this video is of really good quality. The buttons on the gun are really good. Mode's option is to turn on the beep sound of gun on or off, and there is light on or off button. Overall it's really good. Now this temperature gun is purchased offline for 1800 to 2000 rupees. I will find some good temperature guns from Amazon and link them below. Okay, now let's talk about oximeter. Now it's a really important gadget for households. Now the symptoms of this virus might not be seen on your body, but it might be damaging your body from inside. Means it might have caused some problems in your heart or lungs which cannot be felt normally. So the work of oximeter is to calibrate and show you the SpO2%, BPM, PR, RR, etc. Now if you don't know about these terms, then you will find a basic knowledge on the screen right now. You can check it out. But basically what oximeter does is actually it will show you the SpO2%, means level of oxygen in your blood, and will calculate your heartbeats. Now to use the oximeter, you just have to open the device by pressing the clip, then put your finger inside and press the button. So the IR sensor inside will start calibrating and will show you the result. Now if the SpO2% is above 95%, then everything is fine. But if it's less than 95%, then you should immediately consult a doctor, and average BPM should be between 70 to 100. Now there are various oximeters available online, but this one was actually purchased offline for around 2000 rupees. And for that price, the build quality is actually really good. The hinge is made properly and the display is also really good. The button is actually to turn on the scanner, and while it's on, if you will press the button again, you can change or rotate the screen according to your need. I will find some good oximeters from Amazon again and link them below. So my main motive of making this video was actually to inform some people who are not using these really important gadgets in their daily life. These are really important gadgets, not just made for industries or stores, but for all the households. And these are actually one-time investment gadgets, means they will definitely be useful in the coming future. So please do get these gadgets for you and your family. That's pretty much it for this video guys. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If possible, stay home, stay safe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.